Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So I'm going to start a series where we'll learn around 1000 Redewendungs expressions that make your conversation more effective and impressive. Okay, Begrüßung, Vorstellung, and Verabschiedung. Begrüßung greetings. How do you greet in German when you meet someone, any strange, a new person? So how can you greet? And how to introduce yourself and how to introduce other person. Verabschiedung to farewell, okay, to say goodbye. So guys, let's start now. This year's first ten. First ten means to introduce. It's a word. This first ten. Okay. So let's start now. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Leicht. Ich heiße Leicht. So when you meet someone, you can introduce like, "Hi, good morning, good day. My name is Leist, or I am called Leist." This is how you tell your name. My name is Heist. There are two ways to tell your name in German. My Name ist Heist Leist. Darf ich mich vorstellen? Mein Name ist Groß, Karl Groß. My introduce myself here. My name is Gross and Carl Gross. So it's a small introduction. Okay. So this is how you can greet and start a conversation telling your name. Okay. So this is direct Guten Tag. My name is Leist. Is heiße Leist. Or when you ask someone, so you can say Darf ich mich vorstellen? My name is Gross Karl Gross. Zit mit Funktionen Firma vorstellen. Okay, so you have tell your name already. So now you can tell your position. So where do you work, and you can introduce your company. Okay, where you are working. My name is Claudia Fischer. Ich bin Marketingdirektorin der Firma Fish. So guys, you see, she told her name, and now she's telling the function, her position in the company and company name. Mein Name ist Claudia Fischer. Ich bin Marketingdirektorin der Firma Fish. So another person is saying, ich bin der neue Verkaufsleiter bei der Firma, zum Beispiel Geon Brosch ist mein Name. Mein Name ist Kroger. Ich bin der Vertriebsleiter für Norddeutschland. Ich arbeite bei Bosch. Ich bin tätig in der Abteilung. Yeah, you can tell the department names. So I'm working uh, in the department of that, in the department of marketing. My name is Bauman. So here I told then I told that I work in the company, and now I'm telling the department name. Ich bin tätig in der Abteilung Marketing. In der Marketing, okay. Mein Name ist Baumann. Ich heiße Karl und ich studiere Maschinenbau an der TU München. So here I'm telling, so my name is Carl, and I'm doing a study machine machine Anbau at the TU München. Mein Name ist Adam. Ich bin für den Schweizermarkt zuständig. Zuständig für sein, it means to be responsible. So I am responsible for the Schweizer market. Okay. So ich bin für den Schweizer Markt zuständig. Ich bin die Leiterin der österreichischen Filiale. So I'm the manager of Österreich, Australian Filiale. Wir sind ein kleines und mittelständisches, großes internationales Unternehmen. In der, okay, so you can write the name of the city and branch in the branch which in which branch marketing branch okay, in branch in the industry, in hotel industry, marketing industry. So here you can tell in which field you are working, in which field is doing your company well. So here you can write a field name. So we as in ein kleines Unternehmen. So you can say we are a small company in hotel, in marketing branch or in marketing industry. So or you can say wir sind ein mittelständisches or großes or internationales Unternehmen. Okay, so we are a big and international small company in branch marketing. Okay, in branch. So you can tell the name of the branch or field where you are working in marketing or something else in hotel industry. All right. So guys, how can you react on an introduction? So someone is introducing and he is telling the name and his position and company name, so where he's working, where is he from. So how do you react on his introduction here? So you can start like angenehm. My name is Fuchs. Yeah, interesting, nice, good. My name is Fuchs. Or freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Mein Name ist Hase, Markus Hase. I'm glad to hear, or I'm glad to meet you, or nice to meet you. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen is a phrase you can say. Yeah, nice to meet you. So I have introduced myself. Ja, guten Tag, ich heiße Saddam. Ich arbeite bei der Firma als Leiter. So, und wir sind ein kleines Unternehmen im Marketingbranche or marketing industry. So you have here this conversation. You can angenehm. Now you can tell your name. My name is Fuchs. Nice to meet you. My name is Hasse. Uh, Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Mein Name ist Hasse, Markus Hasse. Or another Redewendung expression you can schon, dass wir uns persönlich kennenlernen. Bisher haben wir ja immer nur miteinander telefoniert. So after an introduction of someone is introducing, so this is the Redewendung that you can use. Okay, this expression you can shown, dass wir uns persönlich kennenlernen. So here we are saying nice that we are meeting personally. So till now we have talked on the call only with each other. So now we are meeting. Huh? Schon, dass wir uns persönlich kennenlernen. Bisher haben wir ja immer nur miteinander telefoniert. Okay, so now you have introduced yourself and someone has reacted on your introduction. So now you are going to share your visit card. So how can you share your visit card? My name is Maya. Here's meine Karte. So now you're telling. So you are giving your card here. Darf ich Ihnen meine Karte geben? And you can ask someone if you want to be a formal. So if you want to offer your card, so you can say, darf ich Ihnen meine Karte geben? May I give you my visiting card? Hätten Sie vielleicht auch eine Karte für mich? Okay, so here I offer my card, my visit card here. In last three third Redewendung expression, I'm asking someone. So, would you have, okay? Would you have a card for me? Would you have any card? So you want to have the number and address and name. You want to know about someone. So he is a lighter of he's a manager of a company. So you can ask for a card here. So the expression for that we use here, hätten Sie vielleicht auch eine Karte für mich? So would you have a card for me? Maybe would you probably you would have a card for me. Okay. Another situation here. So how can you start a greetings and introduction here? So Personenbesucher und Bekannten ansprechen. So meet someone, any visitor. Okay, you are working in a company and a visitor is coming. Okay, and you are meeting an unknown person. So how do you start the conversation? Guten Tag. So in the first expression we see here, so you are waiting for someone and the one has come. So you can say, Guten Tag, sind Sie Frau Thaler? Wir haben Sie erwartet. Hi, good day. So are you Frau? Are you Mrs. Taylor? So we have expected you. Entschuldigung, sind Sie Frau Teller? So you see a person is coming to you, so you can say you are expecting him and he was about to come. And you look at him, but you don't know. You can say Entschuldigung, sind Sie Frau Teller? Excuse me, are you Frau Teller? Guten Tag, kann ich Ihnen helfen? So someone is coming, you are sitting on the reception. So but he is unknown, so he's coming. So first you greet. Guten Tag, kann ich Ihnen helfen? Good day, can I help you? Grüß Gott, kennen wir uns schon? So this is how when you meet a friend, you have met already to someone, you can say, Grüß Gott, kennen wir uns schon? So do we know each other already? Do we know each other already? Okay. So that was the informal way. So now we move to the formal way. Offizielle Begrüßung. This is the official greetings here. Guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Abend. Meine Damen und Herren, ich darf Sie offiziell begrüßen. Okay. Es freut mich, Sie hier in unserer Firma begrüßen zu dürfen. Im Namen der Firma darf ich Sie herzlich begrüßen. Guten Tag gilt ganztags bis circa 18 Uhr. So Guten Tag you can use till 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay. So it is valid all day till the 6 o'clock in the evening. Guten Morgen, it's till 11 o'clock. Okay, bis 11 Uhr. Guten Abend, ab 19 Uhr. So Guten Abend you can use after 7 o'clock in the evening. Gute Nacht, good night, wird meist nur im familiären Umfeld gebraucht. So Gute Nacht you use only with in a family environment. Alright. So this is how you have seen here how we greet officially here. So Guten Tag, Guten Morgen, Guten Abend. So here we have seen. So this is you can say in formal way also. Grüß Gott, Guten Tag. In Süddeutschland you use it also. So you have seen. Meine Damen und Herren, ich darf Sie offiziell begrüßen. So I may greet you officially here, huh? Ladies and gentlemen. So I may greet you officially here. So I'm glad. So es freut mich, Sie hier in unserer Firma begrüßen zu dürfen. I'm glad I'm allowed to greet you in our company. Im Namen der Firma darf ich Sie herzlich begrüßen. So you are working in a company and so you are a representative somewhere. So you can say im Namen der Firma. Der Firma heißt Bosch. Im Namen der Firma Bosch darf ich Sie herzlich begrüßen. So I'm greeting you from the company Bosch. Okay. I hope you got it. So guys, here you see how can you introduce other person. Now till now you have introduced your name, where do you work and in which company you are, okay, and your department where you are working, and how do you exchange your card in a formal way, informal way, how to start a conversation. So now we see under a forestalum. So how can you introduce other person? So you are two and one your friend know you already, but there is someone with you. So how can you introduce yourself or in a company to your manager? Ich möchte Ihnen meinen Kollegen Herrn Heber vorstellen. So this is a redundant here expression you can use. I would like to introduce. I would like to introduce you my colleague, Mr. Weber. Ich möchte Ihnen meinen Kollegen Herrn Weber vorstellen. Darf ich Sie vorstellen? Darf ich vorstellen, meine neue Kollegin, Frau Schlagmann. So may I introduce my new colleague, Mrs. Schlagmann. Das ist Herr Müller. Herr Müller, das ist Frau Braun. So you are saying, sir, this is Mr. Müller, and Mr. Müller, this is Frau Braun. So das ist Herr Müller, das ist Frau Braun. Guten Tag, Herr Baumgartner. Darf es Ihnen unsere neue Praktikantin vorstellen? Das ist Frau Hack. So good day, Mr. Baumgartner. May I introduce you our new practic, practic, practicantin? Okay. May I introduce you my new practicantin? Vorstellen, das ist Frau Hack. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you have any questions and you can learn this expression when you practice. So without practice, it's not possible. So it's the beginning of the German. So it's the beginning Redewendung. So we'll do around 1,000 Redewendung expression in German. So these will be some informal and formal way how you use in the profession. So I'll try to make the video for the professional expression. Okay, 1,000 hours. So when you learn this expression, you can easily clear A1, A2, B1, and B2. Till B2 level, I'll try to cover all expressions. So it's help you a lot, guys. So please practice it and write it, practice and speak. Okay, if you have any questions, so please let me know. So it's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks. Bye.